doing, Ernie? What you doing, Ernie? Katie will help you. She's hardly slowed down a bit since she got spayed on Monday, and today is Saturday. What you doing, Lucy? Hi, Katie. You ferocious dogs. Are you ferocious? Hey. What you doing, Ernie? You finding anything over there? Where's the ball? Where's the ball? Oh, that one. There's my favorite ball, he says. Oh, I dropped it. Oh, hi. You want me to throw the ball? You can do it with this. Oh, yeah. Wanna bring me the ball? Bring it here. Lucy. There's Jason working on the sauna platform. What? You want me to throw it? Huh, Lucy? Hey, what you doing, the kitty? You're a nut. Go get her, Lucy. Go get her. Go get her. Lucy. Hey, Lucy. Lucy, go get her. You guys are...
Earlier verdict was reviewed by Saudi Arabia's highest court, the Supreme Council of the Judiciary. Human Rights Watch called on King Abdullah
You coming in?
to immediately void the verdict and drop all charges against
You
the
coming
rape
in?
victim,
Come on.
and to order the court to end its harassment of her lawyer.
Come on.
Now, this woman,
Katie.
I'm unfamiliar with the story. This woman went and had she was married, she had a private meeting with, what happened then was
Hey,
that,
you coming in?
I'm assuming that she reported
Come on.
it, and she
Come
was
on.
found to be in violation of Saudi law. And so she was punished.
Well, come in.
As a Christian,
You just want to go play some more, don't you?
this is an injustice. But for anybody who is not a Christian to look at this case and say that this is an injustice,
She's too silly for you, Lucy.
what they're going to have to do is they're going to have to borrow from the Christian worldview. Right? Because you need 325
30 to 40, or look under the What's New section of our website, mission.org. Mission.org. It's called Growing in Christ. It's under the What's New section, missionptc.org.
What do you have?
Well,
A piece of snow? Oh yeah, put the snow out of your toes.
I noticed that he has a degree in economics from Harvard University. I'm going to ask him to listen during Soundbite of the Week. If there's something in there that you might find interesting as communists.
Did you have fun out in the snow?
Combination. We'll be talking with him, however, not about money you're buying or selling or any of those kind of things, but about an evangelical proof text that many think really is the place you go to find out the timetable by which God is going to bring the end.
What do you have, Lucy?
Occurs, so many people say. And you find right there in 2 Thessalonians 2, or so they claim, when the rapture occurs,
What?
that will take out of the way the Holy Spirit and allow the Antichrist to rise before power, and the Great Tribulation, they say, 7-year Great Tribulation, prior to Christ's third coming, I suppose that would be, to begin with here.
What do you want, Lucy?
Chapter 2, verses 6 through 8, actually.
Well, you can get it.
And a 7-year tribulation under the sway
Yippee girl.
of Antichrist.
Oh, it doesn't throw itself, huh? It doesn't throw itself?
By Muslim youth in Paris. Not as bad as the ones several years ago, but they were more violent than the ones several years ago. Dr.
The floor is dirty.
Joins us to talk about Noah, the Old Testament saint, remembered this day by the church. And then, for about the next half hour after that, Pastor Bill Swirlo will introduce us again
Hi.
to the season of Advent. It really is the Christmas